In front of me is REALME B3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. If you want to get rid of notifications from any app you don't want to uninstall, here's how to do it using devices settings. So begin by opening settings and tapping on notifications right away. Now select app notifications at the top. And before doing anything, select most recent at the top left corner. Don't worry, I tested it before multiple times and I can assure you it will work. Over here, you need to tap on one of those options to see apps with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, all of your apps you have on this REALME, or only apps with notifications already turned off. So wherever you decided, tap on one of those options. And then use blue switches next to your apps to block notifications from them, or grey ones to switch them back on. Quick tip, most people don't know that you can also click on any app available on the left and manage all notifications options over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!